Hello everyone, in today's video I'd like to show you how to print this nice little linen storage box. Okay, so firstly let's go check the products first. Okay, this is the linen storage box, we call it. Okay, and it packs like this. This is the updated version we have. Okay, so it's foldable. Okay, you can see it's so it can be printed in three sides, 1, 2, and 3. So after printing, then you can take it. It's easy to install and assemble. Okay, I'll show you later. So today we're going to use Galaxy swing away heat presses, and the printing temperature will be 215 degrees. Okay, so let's adjust the temperature first. It will be 250 degrees Celsius. That will be around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And the time we need is 45 seconds. Okay, now the temperature is up, and let me show you how to print. Okay, what you need to prepare is the blank printed paper and glove. You see, very important. And heat resistant tape. It's very important for you to have heat resistant tape to do the printing for the storage box, because if not, then it may ruin your printings. Okay, now first step is located the printed paper on the blanks. It's very easy. See, take this out. Make sure it's located in the center of the printing area. That's it. That will make your finished products look nicer and professional. Okay, use 2 tape will be good enough. And my way is that I always stick the paper on both sides. So that means that I do not need to stick paper after first printing. Okay, so make sure your design is located in the center. That's it. Very easy, right? Everybody can do it. Okay, I think my heat resistant machine is getting some issues. Doesn't matter. Okay, and now we're ready to print. So before print, we have to adjust the pressure a little bit, because you can see that the storage box is very thin, right? It's very thin. Oops, this is off. So maybe just stick one side. Okay. You see, it's very thin, so that means that before printing you have to adjust the pressure and adjust it as less as it could be, because it's too high. Okay, it is too thin. Okay, adjust it, and then I'll check whether it is. So I check with, oh, it's too high, it's too low. Okay, move this. That's a problem for you to run a swing away heat press. That means that your working space, you need larger working space compared with the clamshell. Okay, I will need to use this part to test whether the pressure is good. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, and now, so first step is to make sure your pressure is good, because for all the linen products, it needs really high pressure. Yeah, really high pressure. Yeah, and at 55 seconds. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds and we will see how the print goes up. Okay, now time is up, and let's see how it looks like. See, I do not use Teflon sheet. You can use it or not. Okay, it's nice, right? And one side is done, and let's do another side. So advantage for swing away is, you see, you have plenty of space to do your work during printing, right? Yeah, it's not like clamshell. Okay, it's done, and then let's move it back. Close the handle and wait for a few seconds. Okay, now time is up, and let's see the finished products. It looks really nice. You can see printing is really nice. Okay, and next I'll show you how to print this cover top. You see, it's very important. You can see the cover, the back is not flatted. So that means that we need to change the lower platen into a smaller platen that can let this cover to put it in to protect this cover from damage during printing. This is very, very important. That's why if heat presses that has interchangeable lower platen function is very important for specific or lots of sublimation blanks. And also it's getting popular because of the DTF technology, you see. Okay, so if you do not have any interchangeable lower platen function heat presses, maybe you can try, maybe you need to check and you can try ours, okay? So today I'm going to use 8 by 10 inches lower platen, which is the most sellable lower platen. This platen can be used for kids t-shirt, shopping bag, and also this linen storage box. See, it's nice, right? Nice and fixed, okay? So I'm setting up my heat presses, and next step is to set up my design. So again, it's very easy. Just make sure, okay, my heat resistant tape today is not so good because the machine is wrong, okay? So it's very easy and simple. Just make sure you located the printed paper in the center. That's it, very easy, okay? And then it's done, and better to cover it with a Teflon sheet in case your heat pattern is dirty. So if your heat pattern is dirty, then it will not ruin the printing or the substrate. Instead, it will only getting dirty on Teflon sheet. You know, the Teflon sheet is very easy to clean. So that's why Teflon sheet is very important. Okay, let's close it and wait for a few seconds. And let's see how it looks. Remember, the heat glove is very important. Okay, tear it off. Wow, it's good, right? And the next step is I'll show you how to do the installation. It's very easy and simple. See, take this, and then this part, they have two sides. Make sure this side go into the storage box because, okay, maybe I move here, okay? Then it's done, and put the cover on it. Okay, a nice linen storage box, personalized, is ready. And you can put your toys in and then sit. Okay, that's all for today. And thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave information. Okay.